We are going to do a carport makeover. The idea is that we're going to have a place where we can gather with friends in the carport, where we can stay warm, we can be on our outdoor furniture. So I am with Tori Valentinas. She's with VLV Design. So what we're going to do today is, first of all, I'm revealing it all. I am not a hoarder. I just am not organized. This is my carport. Tori is a designer, has a new business, and she's here to help us figure out how to make this work. And this is the carport. So you can see it is a little bit of a mess, and we're going to have some things that we're going to need to take care of. Like today, it's probably in the 30s. Is that correct?
It is not North Carolina weather.
Exactly. So I want to show you some heaters I bought.
Great.
They are indoor heaters, so it's not something I will leave out. I got 5 of these. I thought.
And they're really good looking too.
They're great looking heaters. They are by Duraflame. And so I also got heated throws. A friend and I were talking about that. Heated throws is a way for everyone to keep warm. I'm not saying that's what we will use in terms of color, but that's what I found.
But it's cozy.
Exactly. Yeah. Everyone loves it. So, and then I bought some fun blankets. So.
Okay. I have gone back after we met with some of, the ideas and your needs, and put together just a few brainstorm ideas. We can see we've got some pricing, we've got some floor plans and visuals, and then we can narrow down and then go from there. With that being said, I've got quite a few floor plans. I know we had talked about doing a living area as well as a dining area. We're gonna be looking at a few different furniture options here, outdoor furniture. So, but I put in some modular options here, and modular would be great for temporary spaces because you can move them around very flexibly. So you'll see that there's 8 different plans here.
Okay.
But it shows like all the same type of pieces just being shown in different ways.
Right.
So, and that's the beauty of modular living, and indoors and outdoors, but you can have little sitting areas which are good for social distancing. Okay, so we're going to look at a few product recommendations from the various categories, but where I always like to start is the biggest items in the room,
okay.
Which to me would be the furniture. I wanted to show you some products from TK Classics. It's an outdoor company, and they've got some really nice looks. So I know we had originally, this fabric was an inspiration, and so I was looking at maybe bringing in the blacks and the oatmeals, charcoals, those neutral palettes. So this kind of, gave a great transitional look, and these are examples of the pieces that you saw in the floor plan. So they can build sofas, you can build sectionals, it's all very modular. And I wanted to show a little bit of the back so you can see having a nice back for outdoor pieces is really important, as they're usually floating in an outdoor space.
I love the idea of modular because then we can rearrange it and use it in different ways. I love that idea. I can't wait to get to our next step, and it will be that we'll just kind of do a quick overview and decide on the package we want to do, what the cost is going to be, because I'm ready to get this going and figure out the budget and then do an install. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
To go through this even more.
Yes, looking forward to it.